Hey YouTube, this is the Build Brothers back again. This is going to be a 5-minute tech tip video. This one is for faded headlights, as you can see. I'll be using a kit from Mother's. It's pretty much the basic kit. In it consists of plastic polish and a buffing wheel. The tape on here is painter's tape. You don't want to use anything like scotch tape or duct tape because you'll rip your paint off, but painter's tape works fine, or tan masking tape works well too. I've heard of people using toothpaste instead of this, and that works. I've actually done it before. You do need some method of buffing. Trying to do it by hand will take forever. It is possible though. But yeah, let's get right into it. We're gonna put some of the buffing compound on it and see how this goes. If it's too bad, we'll switch to the more aggressive kit inside there. Zoom it in for you so you can see. Alright, so that's a pretty drastic difference. I'm going to get a towel to wipe it off with, but I'm going to end the video here. The basic idea behind this, if yours are worse than this, you'll just use a relatively low grit, like 1000 grit sandpaper, and then move up to 3000 grit sandpaper, and then go to a polishing compound. What that does is it will remove any deep scratches with the 1000 grit, and then you'll make the scratches that you made with the 1000 grit less and less by removing the surface with the like 1000, 1500, 2000, and then 3000. And then the polishing compound makes it so it's crystal clear again. So if you see, I mean, there's still polishing compound on here, but it's fairly clear. If you look at the other light, that is quite a bit more yellow. But thank you guys for watching. If you like videos like this, hit the like button. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you like channels like this, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.